A big shout out to one of our followers on YouTube called Abdul. He suggested a name, K K1, K for Kusenga, for the name of the apples that we have in the new variety that we have in the farm that we didn't have a name. Today we are going to show you the K1.
K1 apple. It's an apple on trial which we're growing in Jkusenga farm. A new variety which we are excited about. We have done different varieties to come up with this spherical kind of apple. Good thing with this apple is that if you see it the way it is looking, since it was grown, it does not have any challenge to do with fungal diseases. Only few, maybe, but not much, is something that you can manage. So pests, I've not seen this tree with any kind of pest. So it's resistant to pest and also resistant to drought. So it's a variety that we are breeding here in Jkusenga farm, learning from the other apple varieties that we are growing. And we are making sure this variety can withstand all kind of weather and can grow in majority of temperate climate, which anyone can want to grow apple varieties. The color of the apple is a blush or pink, which is very good also, and it's so exciting. The people love pink color. So exciting for you to have this kind of apple. The taste of the apple, oof, let me try this one. Another benefit of this apple is that it is very hard. Even as you are biting it, you hear it. It's also crunchy, and it does not have a sour taste that you get when you eat a sour apple. And another good and beautiful thing is the shelf life of this variety. This variety can stay for almost 30 days to 60 days without, when you put it in a room temperature, without going bad. It's not like the other variety, like Anna variety we're growing, but the shelf life is just 1 week, 7 days. But with this one, you can stay for more than 1 month with it just remaining the same and with the continue with the test. So this is a new variety. We are not selling the seedling currently, but very soon we'll share and also share the tips on how to grow it, manage it, prune it, and train it.
Hope you have learned something from the new variety of apple we have in the farm. Uh, for now, we are calling it K1 because it's still on trial processes. This is the K1, and I will taste it for the first time. Mm, yes, it's nice. We will keep updating you on the varieties we have in the farm. Amongst the 12 that we didn't mention some, I'll be showing you some individually. From Jkusenga Farm,